What are we doing today, John?
Gonna skydive.
Skydive.
Yeah.
Why the hell are you doing that?
Oh, yeah. Real life, yeah, it's crazy.
It is. But actually, I think we aren't crazy. We are amazing. So enjoy it, have fun.
Thank you.
It will be great.
Close to the bottom, it's easy to focus on my fantasy. Sweet temptations fade away. If I could get back in time, I'd go back and try harder again, but the question still remains. Right here, right now, I live my beautiful misery. Got a lot of love waiting for delivery. I live my beautiful misery. Like a dreamer, I follow a light from my waiting star, but it faded away. If I could get back in time, I'd go back and try harder again, but the question still remains. Right here, right now, I live my beautiful misery. Got a lot of love waiting for delivery. I live my beautiful misery. Right here, right now, I live my beautiful misery. Got a lot of love waiting for delivery. I live my beautiful misery. Right here, right now, I live my beautiful misery. Got a lot of love waiting for delivery. I live my beautiful misery. 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 I live my beautiful.
Evil things that make us act like we do. Evil dreams, the devil inside of you. Sitting in the rocking chair as the blood runs down the wall. Smash the mirror, but beware as the sun begins to fall. You don't have to read my mind to know what's going on inside. It's the reason that I'm still alive. And I don't need designer crime. I've got bigger things in mind. You're gonna hail to the king tonight. Evil things, it's all that I want to do. Sweeter sin, these demons are cutting loose. Into madness I descend, and I'm laughing all the way. Start the chainsaw up again as the darkness comes to stay. You don't have to read my mind to know what's going on inside. It's the only time I feel alive. And I don't need designer crime. I've got bigger
Look into the camera.
Yeah!
How was it, John?
Oh, excellent. What a free fall that was. That was
First tandem?
booming. No, first time, number 10.
Oh, number 10.
Number 10.
You made an awesome job.
And I want to
mate.
do it again.
Perfect.
Sit but live, get down, tell me that I